Hello, you're welcome to our lecture. For you to be employable, you must also have work experience. Now, getting work experience in the area of biology is very important. It is very important, very crucial. In a competitive job market, relevant experience shows your your commitment to the career and develops your practical skills, as well as giving you the opportunity to make professional contacts. If you're unsure which area of biology you want to move into, work experience can provide you with a useful insight into what the work is like. Now, how do you acquire this work experience for you to be employable? Biology degree courses incorporate a 6-month industrial training, particularly in the second semester of year 3. Biology students, especially in Niger Delta University, Wilberforce Island, Bayelsa State, Nigeria, there's usually a 6-month training period where the entire second semester and the holiday the vacation is used for industrial training. Students can utilize this opportunity effectively to gain the requisite skills, the training, the experience, the work experience that's required. If possible, request for a certificate from the firm that you are doing your industrial attachment so that you can use it as work experience. Now, in addition to internships and work placement, relevant voluntary or part-time work is also useful in getting work experience. Look for opportunities with organizations such as conservation facilities, natural history or science museums, pharmaceutical companies, research and clinical laboratories, schools, zoos, or veterinary practices. Now, these are areas you can volunteer to work. I had personally volunteered to teach in a secondary school, the secondary school I graduated from. You can teach in such facilities, volunteer to teach. If you want to become a lecturer or a teacher, you volunteer in that field. Even if you're not, you don't want to be a lecturer, look for such places you can volunteer to gain the requisite experience. It can be in a laboratory, research and clinical laboratories. Go there, volunteer to work with them, and also gather such experience. And it's very important for your development. Now, you also need skills for your CV. Though your work experience is very important, but you also need other skills that you need to include in your CV. That's curriculum vitae, a document that describes you and your competencies or your achievements. In addition to subject-specific knowledge of biological systems and concepts, you develop a range of practical and technical skills and learn how to use specialist techniques and technical equipment. Now, what are you supposed to do in this regard? You also need to develop more general skills which are attractive to employers in all sectors. And these skills include 1, communication through report writing and presentations. So you need to improve your communication skills, your writing skills, okay? So your report writing should be improved greatly because in most organizations, you need such skills to succeed. Then you also need teamwork and collaboration. And this can be done through group work, group projects, and seminars. Then ability to work independently. This is also another skill you have to acquire. Then you also need to learn organization and time management. And how can you achieve that? Through meeting coursework deadlines. When you're given an assignment or a coursework, even as an undergraduate, learn to meet the deadlines. And that would be a very important skill when you're eventually employed into any organization. And you also need to improve your numeracy and mathematics. Learn to improve on your calculations, how you're able to calculate and make meaningful, come out with meaningful answers or results. You also need IT and computer literacy and research and data analysis. Problem solving and creative thinking is also very important if you want to be employable. Then project management, then self-reliance and initiative and business awareness is also part of the other skills you need to acquire. Now, after having your BSc degree, you may want to further your studies. Postgraduate study is a popular choice for biology graduates. Most biology graduates would want to further their studies. So what are you expected to do? You may want to increase your expertise in a particular area of biology or relevant subject, or to move into another career such as teaching, medicine, or law. There's provision for that. Apart from improving your expertise in a particular area in biology, you can take up a diploma certificate, postgraduate diploma, that will enable you to switch to other fields. So with the BSc in biology, you also have the opportunity to make a switch to other specialties. Having a higher qualification, such as MSc and PhD, puts you at an advantage in a competitive job market, and as it will enhance your research skills, specialist knowledge, and communication skills. So it is very advisable that after your BSc degree, you further your studies, do masters or PhD. Just do it. After all, those that study law spend 6 years, and you're spending just 4 years in BSc biology. You can use those 2 years to go for masters. It gives you an advantage in a competitive job market, and that will give you an opportunity to work, to be employed faster or earlier than others that do not have a master's or PhD degree. However, it is important you research courses carefully to make sure the course you choose matches your career aims. So when you want to proceed for master's and PhD, make sure you research properly. Don't just jump into or rush into a particular program because you want to do masters. Make sure you also study courses that are relevant, courses that would give you an edge. For instance, if you want to lecture in NDU, for instance, which area in NDU, Niger Delta University, do we lack lecturers? Where do we need more expertise? Which area among the lecturers do we need more lecturers? Those are the things you should think of, for instance. Or maybe in the whole of Bayelsa State or Nigeria, which area do the government need more staff? That's what will direct you to decide which course to study in your postgraduate level. Further study can also help with career progression and is essential for some jobs in biology. If you want a career as a research scientist or a university lecturer, you'll need to do a PhD in a relevant area of biology. Yes, PhD is very important for those that would want to become lecturers. Though there are some that are fortunate to start as graduate assistants and proceed for their master's and PhD. But in most cases, lecturers in the university will be required to present a PhD certificate. So it's very important we decide to make progress to that extent so that we can be employable in biology. You can make further efforts to improve on your person, to be employable. So keep up the good work, study hard, attend all lectures, and make yourself more productive. Thank you.